Hello viewers, welcome to another video Graphene the wonder material. We will learn about graphene, what is graphene and why we call this wonder material. So let's start our topic, move toward new slides. Today our content about graphene is introduction. Next we will learn about properties, application and structure. So let's move toward the new slide. What is graphene? Actually, graphene is the allotrope of carbon, two-dimensional and hexagonal lattice. As you can see in my screen, as there are uh, allotrope and bond structure of graphene as bonding of carbon like benzene. There are many type of carbon tied together, which is called graphene. Actually, a network of carbon is said to be graphene. Let's move toward the structure of graphene. One atom thickness planar sheet of graphene, sheet of carbon atom, two-dimensional crystalline allotrope of carbon, graphene's stability. You can see in my screen is here is a sheet of graphene. Let's move toward the synthesis of graphene. There are two methods in which you can synthesize the graphene: mechanical exfoliation and reduction of graphene oxide. Mechanical exfoliation. You can create a simple way with the graphene. Let's take a sheet of paper or tape, and you can take a lead pencil and rub this tip of the pencil on the paper or any other material. So after that, take a scotch tape and rub the tape on the material that you have put on the paper or any other material, and twice there this process or try this process. So after that, a light sheet and very thin sheet remain on the paper, which is we say that this is a graphene sheet. As there, which you can see in my screen, there are a complete process on this screen. Reduction of graphene oxide. Another method is reduction of graphene oxide. Here is what is the difference between graphene oxide and reduced graphene oxide. This is only a structural difference in graphene oxide, which you can see there. Here are oxide bonding in the graphene oxide, and reduced graphene oxide is the reduction of graphene oxide is called reduced graphene oxide. Mechanical properties. Here is some mechanical properties of graphene. Strongest material breaking strength is 42 Newton meter high. Density is 0.77 mg per meter square. The thinnest material thickness is 0.3 nanometer thickness. Stiffer than diamond. They are very stiff, able to retain its initial size after strain, elasticity, flexible, extend 20% of its original shape. As you can see in this screen, a hand is a stretch. Yeah, this, and you can see this is flexible. After that, electric property. As this is a network of carbon and it can pass the electricity through the structure. High electric conductivity, zero gap conductivity, resistance, charge carrier behave massless, little scattering and high mobility. There are sp2 hybridization in the hair structure, delocalized pi electron available orbitals. Optical properties. As you can see, this is the showing optical properties. As the man had put the graphene sheet in her hand and check the optical properties. One atom thickness crystal seen with seen naked eye. You can see this with the naked eye, as you can see in my screen. High opacity. Here is some application of graphene like energy storage and electronics. Uses in electronics, integrated circuit and transistors. High mobility of charges, fast processing, replace silicon. More efficient than silicon transistor. Um, can be easily controlled by electric field, can run at higher efficiency, increase speed of circuit. Here is the flexible graphene transistors. After that, energy storage. Storage device also use graphene in his structure. Supercapacitor also using the graphene sheet. Ultra capacitor also you are using the high surface of mass ratio 2 sheet of graphene with electrolyte in between the capacitor. May be replaceable battery, may replace batteries, high recharge rate and low discharge, long life. Solar cell also use graphene sheet with a high recharge rate and normal discharge rate. Layer of graphene conductor polymer, zinc oxide nanowire layer also use. Here is the bionic device also use graphene, non-chronic, biodegradable and a high conductivity. Distillation allow only water to pass through it. Desalination. Other application also body armature, lightweight aircraft, vehicles for photoviolet, superconductor battery filtration, flexible mobile phone also you use graphene. May make flexible LCD screen that can be used in mobile phone. As you can see in my screen, here is a flexible mobile phone, and also this is the thing that which show flexibility, also made of graphene. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.